Hello, I am Harsharan. In this class, we will learn about for and since. Both for and since are prepositions of time. Here, first we will talk about how to use them and then the difference between the two. In the end, there is a practice exercise with answers. Let's begin. Use of for. For is used with a period of time or length of time, or you can say duration. For refers to total time. Some examples are for 5 minutes, for 3 weeks, for 8 years, 2 centuries, a decade, a long time. We use for with the period of time in the past, present, or future. For is used with all tenses. Examples: they play for an hour daily. Sheena is playing for 40 minutes today. They have lived here for a long time. In these sentences, first is in simple present tense, second, present continuous, and third is present perfect tense. Other examples: Dino has been studying in this institute for 2 months. I worked in that company for 3 years. She had studied Spanish for 1 year. They'll visit Japan for 5 weeks. Number 4 is in present perfect continuous tense, 5 simple past, 6 past perfect, and number 7 is in simple future tense. Use of since. Since is used with a specific point in time when the action began. It emphasizes the starting point. Examples: since 3 p.m., since Wednesday, since March 1968, last week, 2 years ago, midnight, since childhood, since I left the college, since he got married. We use since with a point in time in the past. It is normally used with perfect tenses. Some examples are: I have respected her since my childhood. She has been singing since 10 p.m. Winnie had been studying here since 2019. First example is in present perfect tense, second, present perfect continuous, and third is past perfect continuous tense. Let's review the differences between for and since. First, for is used with a period of time, while since is used with a point in time in the past. Number 2, for can be used with all tenses, whereas since is used with perfect tenses. With for, we talk about something from the start of a period to the end. But with since, we talk about something that started in the past and continues until now. To make the difference more clear, you can see this example. Now, the ongoing year is 2022 and 10 years ago it was 2012. Misha started working there in 2012. We can say the same thing by using for and since. First, by using for, we can say Misha has been working there for 10 years. And with since, it is Misha has been working there since 2012. Now, time to do practice exercise. You have to fill in the blanks with for or since. First, it has been raining dash 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock is a point in time, so we'll use since. It has been raining since 5 o'clock. Number 4. I studied for English test dash 3 days. 3 days is a length of time, so we'll use for. I studied for my English test for 3 days. Complete the remaining sentences yourself and then you can see the correct answers here. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye.